As we step into 2025, we're all filled with the anticipation of a new year full of possibilities. But here's the question. What if you could start this year not just with a fresh calendar, but with a renewed sense of faith, hope, and divine guidance? For many of us, the beginning of the year often feels like a blank slate ready to be filled with resolutions, dreams, and goals. Yet sometimes we forget that real transformation comes not from sheer willpower, but from something deeper. It comes from placing our trust in the universe, faith in our journey, and hope that we are divinely supported in everything we set out to achieve. What if, instead of struggling to figure it out on our own, we allowed God's guidance to lead the way? Imagine how powerful it would be to move through this year with the certainty that you are exactly where you're meant to be, guided every step of the way. This year can be different, stronger, more intentional, and deeply aligned with your purpose. So, as you step into 2025, let's choose faith, hold on to hope, and trust that with God's guidance, this year will be your most transformative yet. Imagination is far more than just a mental exercise. It is the divine force through which the universe begins to take form. At its core, imagination is the bridge between the invisible and the visible, the abstract and the concrete. Every creative thought or impulse you experience is a manifestation of the divine consciousness, expressing itself uniquely through you. It is in the act of imagining that the divine creates in the material world. The mind is not just a tool for thinking. It is a sacred space where the essence of creation begins. When you imagine, you are tapping into an infinite well of divine potential, bringing new ideas, solutions, and realities into existence. Every moment of imagination is a spark of creation, a chance to align with a higher universal purpose. Just as the cosmos began with a thought, every aspect of your life is a reflection of what you have imagined, felt, and believed. The beauty of this divine essence is that it is not separate from you. It resides within you, waiting to be awakened. Your imagination is a sacred gift, a channel for divine creativity to flow through. By embracing your ability to imagine, you not only unlock new possibilities for yourself, but also become an active participant in the ongoing creation of the world. Every thought, dream, and vision you have is a divine expression waiting to unfold into the reality you experience. The universe is waiting for your imagination to bring it to life. Faith is not merely a passive belief, it is the active, emotional conviction that what you desire is already yours. It's the deep inner knowing that aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the reality you wish to create. True faith goes beyond doubt and skepticism. It is the unwavering certainty that your desires are already fulfilled, even before they appear in the physical world. When you cultivate faith, you align your inner world with the outer world, creating a harmonious vibration that attracts your desires. Faith is the key that unlocks the door to manifestation, allowing the creative force within you to flow freely and effortlessly. It is not just about believing in the possibility of your desires, it's about fully embodying the feeling of having them right now. This emotional involvement is what gives faith its power. When you feel the joy, gratitude, and peace that come with the fulfillment of your desires, you send out a frequency that the universe responds to. Faith, in this sense, is not about waiting for things to change. It's about acting as if the change has already occurred. It is the foundation upon which all manifestation rests, creating the vibrational match needed to bring your desires into the physical realm. Through faith, you stop being a passive observer of life and become an active creator of your reality. Your unshakable belief in the fulfillment of your desires empowers you to shape the world around you. Faith is the driving force behind every manifestation, the certainty that guides your creative power. Harnessing the power of assumption is one of the most profound tools you can use for personal transformation. The principle is simple. Assume that your desires are already fulfilled, and you will begin to witness them manifest in your life. This is not about wishful thinking or pretending, it's about embodying the feeling and belief that what you want is already yours. The way you assume things to be is the way they will unfold in your life. Every assumption, whether conscious or subconscious, shapes your reality. If you assume success, love, abundance, or health, these assumptions will guide your thoughts and actions, drawing those very experiences into your life. Conversely, if you assume lack, struggle, or failure, you will find these patterns reflected in your experiences. By consciously choosing to assume the best possible outcome in any situation, you take an active role in shaping your reality. This doesn't mean ignoring challenges or pretending everything is perfect, but rather focusing on the outcome you desire with unwavering certainty. This assumption then aligns your energy, thoughts, and actions in a way that supports that reality. When you assume your desires are already fulfilled, you send a powerful signal to your subconscious mind, activating the creative forces within you. You start to move and act with the confidence and clarity of someone who already has what they desire. In doing so, you are not waiting for the external world to change first. You are changing yourself, and in turn, transforming your world. Visualization is a powerful tool, but when combined with emotional investment, it becomes the key that unlocks the door to manifestation. Simply seeing your desires in your mind is one step, but feeling them with your heart and soul is where the real magic happens. Emotional involvement is the fuel that propels your desires from the realm of imagination into physical reality. When you visualize your goals or dreams, imagine them with as much detail as possible, every color, texture, sound, and sensation. But don't stop there. Feel the emotions that would accompany these experiences. If you're visualizing financial abundance, feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if you've already received it. If it's love or success you desire, feel the warmth, the peace, and the fulfillment that would naturally follow. This emotional connection is crucial because it embeds your desires deeply into your subconscious mind. The subconscious doesn't differentiate between what is real and what is vividly imagined with strong emotions. It accepts your emotional experience as reality and begins to work behind the scenes to make it so. The more deeply you feel the experience of your desires, as though they are already yours, the quicker the creative process unfolds. Emotion has the power to speed up manifestation because it aligns your entire being, thoughts, energy, and actions toward the fulfillment of your dreams. So make your visualizations not just mental pictures, but emotional experiences that stir your soul and make you feel truly connected to the life you want to create. Living from the end is one of the most transformative and powerful principles in manifestation. It's the practice of shifting your mindset and emotions to align with the state of already having what you desire. Instead of constantly longing, wishing, or waiting for your goals to manifest, you live as if they have already come to fruition. When you embrace the feeling of already having what you desire, you stop focusing on the gap between where you are and where you want to be. You stop acting from a place of lack or yearning. Instead, you act, think, and feel as though your desire is already part of your reality. This shift in consciousness attracts the people, events, and opportunities that are in alignment with that end result. Manifestation becomes effortless when you embody the state of your wish fulfilled. If you desire a successful career, for instance, walk, talk, and carry yourself as a person who has already achieved that success. Feel the confidence, satisfaction, and sense of accomplishment as if it's happening right now. This alignment with your end goal sends powerful signals to the universe that you are ready to receive. Living from the end doesn't require force or struggle. It's not about doing more, but about being the person who already has what they desire. When you embody this state of being, the circumstances and conditions required to bring your desires into physical reality naturally begin to unfold. The universe responds to who you are, not just what you want. Doubt and emotional blocks are some of the most powerful barriers to manifestation. They not only hinder your progress, but also distort the vibrational frequency you emit to the universe. When you entertain doubt or fear, you create a reality that mirrors those emotions, one of uncertainty and lack. This is why transforming doubt into faith and cultivating emotional freedom is crucial for bringing your desires to life. Your beliefs shape your experiences. If you hold on to limiting beliefs such as thinking you're not worthy, capable, or deserving of your desires, then those beliefs will manifest as your reality. These emotional blocks create a resistance that prevents the flow of abundance, love, or success into your life. To break through, you must first become aware of these limiting beliefs and then consciously choose to release them. The key to overcoming doubt is cultivating trust in the process of manifestation. Trust that everything is unfolding in divine timing and that your desires are on their way to you. Focus on the emotions you want to feel: gratitude, peace, excitement, rather than on the doubts and fears that arise. Practice shifting your emotional state, even if it feels difficult at first. As you do, you create space for new, positive beliefs to take root, replacing the old ones. Emotional freedom comes from letting go of the need to control the how and simply allowing yourself to feel the joy and fulfillment of your desires already being realized. When you do this, you align your energy with your goals and open yourself to effortless manifestation. The practical application of manifestation techniques hinges on consistent practice and creating an environment conducive to your desires. It's not enough to simply think about what you want occasionally. You must immerse yourself in the process every day. Consistency is the bridge between intention and manifestation. Start by developing a daily routine that centers around visualization, relaxation, and emotional connection. Begin each day by visualizing your desires vividly, as if they are already here. See every detail, feel the emotions, and let that positive energy fill you up. As you visualize, make sure to engage your emotions fully, because the emotional charge you attach to your desires accelerates the manifestation process. After visualization, take a few moments for deep relaxation to let go of any tension or stress, aligning your mind and body with the energy of abundance. In addition to these practices, setting up an environment that supports your beliefs is crucial. Surround yourself with positive influences, people, media, and objects that align with the reality you wish to create. Limit exposure to negativity or doubt, as these can disrupt the flow of energy you are cultivating. Whether it's through affirmations, inspirational content, or even just maintaining a clean and peaceful space, ensure your environment is a reflection of the positive mindset you're nurturing. By committing to this routine and creating a supportive space, you strengthen your belief in the manifestation process. Over time, your consistent efforts will create momentum, and you'll begin to see the external world shift in alignment with your inner desires. Faith and imagination are the dynamic forces that shape your world from the inside out. Your external reality is a direct reflection of your inner consciousness. The moment you begin to change your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, your outer world begins to mirror the transformation. This is where faith and imagination play pivotal roles. They are the tools that allow you to consciously create the life you desire. Faith is not simply believing in something, it is the unshakable confidence that your desires are already fulfilled. When you have faith, you align your internal state with the external reality you want to create. This deep conviction pulls your desires toward you and aligns the universe with your vision. Imagination, on the other hand, is the canvas upon which you paint your desired life. By vividly imagining your ideal circumstances and truly feeling as if they are already happening, you begin to imprint those desires into your subconscious mind. The more you practice using your imagination, the more real and tangible your dreams become. As you continue to cultivate both faith and imagination, you begin to experience continuous personal growth. Every step you take in embodying the state of your desires propels you forward on your journey of evolution. The more you live from this internal state of fulfillment, the more the universe rearranges itself to support your vision. Faith and imagination are not just abstract concepts, they are the keys to reshaping your world and transforming your life. Empowering yourself as the creator of your life is the first step toward living with purpose and intention. For too long, many have seen themselves as passive recipients of life's circumstances, waiting for events or opportunities to shape their future. However, true empowerment comes from recognizing that you are the architect of your reality, and every thought, feeling, and assumption you hold shapes the world around you. The universe is a mirror that reflects your state of being. When you shift from a mindset of reaction to one of creation, you open the door to effortless manifestation. Rather than waiting for external factors to dictate your life, You take charge by consciously aligning your inner world with the reality you wish to create. Your thoughts and feelings are the foundation from which your experiences emerge. So when you empower yourself to shape those, you take control of your destiny. This process starts with recognizing that your assumptions about life are not fixed, they are flexible and subject to change. By consciously choosing positive assumptions about yourself and your circumstances, you begin to create a reality that mirrors those beliefs. Every choice, every thought, every feeling becomes an act of creation. As you embrace your role as the creator of your life, you stop reacting to the world and start actively shaping it. You move from a passive state to one of empowered action, trusting that the universe responds to the energy you put out. Through this shift, you unlock the power to manifest your desires effortlessly. The ultimate manifestation shift occurs when you move from seeking something outside yourself to embodying the state of already having it. This is the most powerful shift you can make in your journey of creation. For so long, many of us are conditioned to seek external validation, opportunities, or circumstances to feel complete or fulfilled. However, true power lies in recognizing that the life you desire is already within you, and the key to manifesting it is to begin living as though you already have it. To practice this shift, you must focus on being the person who already possesses what you desire. Instead of striving, longing, or wishing for something to come into your life, start embodying the feelings, thoughts, and actions of someone who already lives that reality. Feel the joy, confidence, and satisfaction as if it's already here. This doesn't require external validation or circumstances. It is a shift in consciousness, a commitment to living from the inside out. With consistent practice, patience, and trust, you will begin to witness a profound transformation. The universe responds to your energy, and when you align yourself with the vibration of your desires, they begin to unfold effortlessly. You stop chasing and start creating from within. The key is to trust the process and have faith that the life you envision is already yours. This shift is not about striving, it's about being. And in that being, everything you've longed for will naturally manifest. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this message has inspired you to start 2025 with renewed faith, hope, and trust in God's guidance. Remember, this year is yours to shape, and with the right mindset and divine support, there's no limit to what you can achieve. If you feel ready to embrace this new chapter, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share how you plan to invite more faith, hope, and divine guidance into your life this year. What's one thing you're excited to manifest in 2025? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more uplifting content throughout the year. Let's start this journey together and make 2025 a year of growth, empowerment, and divine blessings. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.